Hello students, welcome to the online class session of accountancy. Today I will explain you further the topic investment fluctuation reserve on the basis of case 4th related to question 28th. Here you can see the investment fluctuation reserve, that is the reserve maintained to recover the loss due to decrease in the value of investment, is lesser than the decrease in value of investment. That is, investment fluctuation is more than investment fluctuation reserve. Okay, so the loss is more than the reserve maintained by the company, by the partnership firm. So the loss is beyond expectation. When the loss due to fluctuation in investment is beyond expectation, then the increased value of investment fluctuation in comparison to IFR is debited to revaluation account. Revaluation account is an account where we shows the revaluation of assets and reassessment of liabilities. Okay, I am showing you the format of revaluation account. Wait. This is the format of revaluation account. On page number 3.38 you can see it. On the left hand side, that is debit side, you can see it to decrease in the value of asset. Whenever there is decrease in the value of asset in excess to the reserve maintained on the liability side, that value only is to be shown on the debit side of revaluation account. Okay, only the value which is decreased and is more than the investment fluctuation reserve maintained. Okay, that value is only to be shown on the debit side. Keep in mind. Okay, don't show the whole value of investment fluctuation here. Right. Now, further I am showing you the question. Case number 4 will be explained to you today. Investment fluctuation reserve as appearing on the liability side is 54,000. Investment is 6 lakh rupees. See case number 4. If the market value of investment is 5,28,000 rupees. So, how much fluctuation is there? How much decrease in the value of investment is there? 6 lakh minus 5,28,000 rupees means 72,000 rupees is the fluctuation amount of investment. This amount will be first of all charged from investment fluctuation reserve. 72,000 minus 54,000 rupees. Okay, how much amount of fluctuation is remaining to be recovered? 72,000 minus 54,000, 18,000 rupees. This amount will be charged from revaluation account, will be shown as decrease in asset on the debit side of the revaluation account. Investment fluctuation reserve, as we are having with us on the liability side within the firm, is 54,000, but fluctuation was of rupees 72,000, which was 18,000 in excess of IFR maintained by the partnership firm. Means beyond expectation there was a loss in the value of asset, and increased value of investment fluctuation was 18,000 in comparison to IFR 54,000 rupees. This increased value of investment fluctuation will be shown on the debit side of a revaluation account and further it's a loss. It's so the loss, as you well know, is charged from the partners. So this loss will be charged from the partners. In which ratio? In the old profit sharing ratio. Okay, right? See, all the three partners' capital account is being debited. A's capital account debit, B's capital account debit, C's capital account debit to revaluation account. The loss was of rupees 18,000 and it is to be charged from these three partners A, B, C in their old profit sharing ratio. Old profit sharing ratio I already told as well as read from the question. Okay. It is 432. 432 means 4:3:2. Just add 432, you will get the denominator to be written 4/9, 3/9, 2/9 means 18,009 parts were done. ठीक है, 18,000 loss. Total division was 9 and out of total 9 divisions, 4 divisions belong to A, to B 3 divisions belong and to C 2 divisions belong. Resultantly, the amount of loss recovered from A is 8,000, B 6,000 and C 4,000 rupees. This is to be written in the second journal entry in front of A, B and C's capital. Okay. I have also written on the left hand side green board the basic journal entry to be used in order to solve the question. IFR account debit, revaluation account debit to old partners capital account. Okay, the same basic journal entry is used in order to explain this question. See, IFR account debit, revaluation account debit to investment account. Okay, and the basic journal entry to recover the loss from partners is old partners capital account debit to revaluation account. Okay, the same journal entry, the basic journal entry is used in order to explain the second journal entry, where old partners capital account is debited and revaluation is credited. Okay, in the bracket you can see the narration explanation, transfer of loss on revaluation. Okay, means the loss is being charged from the old partners in the old profit sharing ratio 432. Okay, right. Just take the screenshot of the left hand side portion of the solution explained to you and copy it in fair. Now take this right hand side screenshot, copy the solution in your notebook. Remaining portion, remaining second last portion, take the screenshot. Now take the screenshot of the final portion, left behind. Okay, just fair it up. Okay, the explanation YouTube video link will be shared by me in your class WhatsApp group. Repeatedly you watch the video. Okay, and if there is any query, any problem if arises, then you can share your problems with me on my personal WhatsApp number. Your problems will be solved 100%. Okay, no doubts will remain in your mind. And just on the basis of this, the same question which I have explained you, that this is the practical question. You can solve the illustrations, the examples. Okay, just put or hide the solution of the illustration given in DK Goel, and after solving, match your solution whether you have solved correctly or not. Okay, the same illustration, this you can take illustration 28. Okay, right, this will help in enhancing your knowledge related to IFR, investment fluctuation reserve, and it's a practice for you. That's all for today. Have a nice day.